Good evening, Uuraf. Today, we will be presenting on the Hayti Central School Parent Chapter Alumni Association, a part of the Digital Humanities category in the College of Arts and Letters. Our research focuses on assessing varying learning communities. Today, we will be creating our own virtual space based on the findings that satisfy the needs of the alumni chapter. My name is Todjanae Jones, a part of the Eli Bro Business College, and my major is marketing.
Hi, I'm Neha Singh. I'm in the College of Arts and Letters, and my major is Experience Architecture.
Hello, my name is Allyssa Harris. I'm also a part of the College of Arts and Letters, and I'm a design major.
The Hayti Central School Parent Alumni Association is an active alumni group that provides a variety of resources like networking, scholarship, and mentoring opportunities to current students in the greater Hayti School District. Additionally, the association helps maintain communication and holds events for their members.
The mission of HCHS is to preserve their historical roots, share their story, and withhold the legacy of their membership.
What is their need, you might ask? To be accessible to the general public, but with some features specifically for the organization members. To also have the ability to accept donations, do membership renewal, and have event registration fees via credit card and PayPal. They also would like to allow for the completion and submission of membership, event registration, and other forms provided on the site.
Our big concept in this research project is community. Throughout all of our processes, like utilizing user experience and graphic design methods, we constantly remind ourselves to see how our findings inform and inspire the Haiti community. By doing this, are able to not lose sight of our main goal in creating a digital community space.
Our research process consists of three key areas: a landscape analysis, an audience analysis, and the design implementation. The research done in these three areas helped us to identify the community needs, design challenges, and similar digital communities.
The landscape analysis purpose was to evaluate the user's experience and design of the alumni organization websites and timelines in order for us to support the Hayti Central School Parent Chapter Alumni Association project. We reviewed the overall structure and formatting of similar sites, while also assessing the usability amongst varying audience members. We found that sites kept the formatting basic to reduce confusion, and audience members appreciated an appealing design that is both engaging and easy to use. All forms of communication on these sites were kept clear and concise.
The purpose of our audience analysis was to understand and analyze how individuals experience the Haiti community. To summarize our findings, we created a diagram with different personas in the HCHS alumni group. Our personas are fictional characters based on the behaviors of the members in the learning community. Overall, when creating our audience analysis, we looked at 5 factors: historical consciousness, agency, life goals, relationships, and organizational structures.
The practice of researching learning communities helps us to use design and technology in a way that is human-centered. This approach ensures that we are designing with the user in mind while adhering to the values of the organization. Simply put, this research analyzes how people connect to design and experience their digital communities. First, we created personas reflecting the different groups that will be using the site and assess what their needs and challenges are. For example, the first group, alumni, who are about 80 years old, would need to find their peers, donate, and share life updates, and view their history. Second, we mapped out the learning communities. This included historical consciousness, agency, life goals, structures, and relationships. Understanding these areas is crucial to understanding the needs of the digital community. This research process ensures that we, as designers, are creating a product that is true to the user's needs, unbiased, and intentional.
Design implementation. To implement our design, we first created a navigation map. A navigation map shows the routes which a user can take or is required to take through the configuration to perform and conclude all required steps for accomplishing a goal within the site. The chosen WordPress theme was Astra, and it is fully customizable and has 24/7 support and video tutorials for our users. It also supports WooCommerce, which is essentially e-commerce, and has Elementor plugins. It is also social media compatible. The new design we are creating is a redesign of its content, format, format, color scheme, and association due process collection.
Here we see our navigation map, which organizes the different information that HeyTie uses. We made sure that we had our login, donation, and search bar towards the top, as these were the three main priorities of the website, and wanted to ensure it was very clear and accessible to our older audience. Further down, the navigation bar shows a variety of tabs and subcategories to organize the information without overwhelming our audience. For instance, our community forum tab is dedicated to HeyTie members staying in touch with each other through photos and articles. As a result, we added subcategories of gallery and news articles to clearly organize the information and avoid confusion.
New design. These design elements establish the identity of HeyTie. Icons, word marks, and color palettes serve to communicate HeyTie's unique identity. The font chosen not only communicates the site's identity, it serves a function. A key component of user experience design is designing for the user's need. The font Acumen Variable Semi-Condensed is a modern sans serif font, which is chosen because of its ease of readability in a digital format. This will be particularly helpful for the older audience, whose members may not find the digital community as accessible. Additionally, the use of a semi-condensed font allows for more white space, which makes the design less cluttered and increases usability.
As previously discussed, the WordPress theme our virtual community is based around is Astra. This site demo is set in place before the new design is implemented. This site is based off of Pearson College, and you can clearly see the school's identity, ease of formatting, and navigation system, which creates a welcoming environment accessible to all our targeted users.
Once we established the WordPress theme we were using, we created low-fidelity wireframes with pen and paper to create a rough draft of how our site would look like and what features would be included. Once we finished our low-fidelity wireframes, we created high-fidelity wireframes using Figma to have a near-finished draft of our website and show how users would interact with it in real time. With our wireframes complete, we moved on to transferring our designs into our Astra WordPress theme, featuring HeyTie School's colors, logos, images, and text that showcase the HeyTie alumni community in a digital space. Thank you for joining us and learning about how we translated HeyTie alumni's physical community into a digital space and how community was an essential factor throughout our research.
Thank you.
Thank you.